2, 3, let's rock. Hit it!
While you're choosing the stories, what will keep your mind?
I keep everything in mind. See, more than a character or a concept, you need a good production, you need a banner. I may be doing like a Charlie's Angel, but if the production is not good and if it's not able to make that quality film, where will my acting go? You know, it will be shelved and kept in one box and it won't be, you know, people won't come. People only come when there is a value to the film. So first for me, very important is a banner, who's making it.
Okay.
And what have they done before? What kind of films are they able to make the film, complete the film and release it? Second, of course, the actor. South works on actors. No
Yes.
matter how good the heroine is, you have to have a star power with actor. So I see who's the hero. Whether this, see, you have to think about Friday. The only thing I think before doing a film is what will happen to the film on Friday. That is my mentality. No matter how good the script is or no matter how bad it is. So hero is important. Then I see, of course, what is the script? What is my part in this? If I have a good part with a good hero, then it's like, you know, a bonus with a good salary. So that's what I see. And then of course everything follows. If it's a good production, they give you good clothes, they provide you best of comforts, good makeup, hair, everything. So then everything follows later. But technically the film has to be strong, good technicians, good hero, good banner, good script.
Tell me your glamour secret.
My glamour secret, a lot of water,
Okay.
great workout, a good moisturizer.
Okay.
That's what I'll say. No, of course, disciplined life is very, very important. Whether you are an actor or no, I would say you should work out every day, eat right food. See, that is what I do. I work out 2 hours a day every day, no matter what. Even if my best of the friends say that, you know, tomorrow I'm leaving and I'll come after a month, please come and see me today. If it is my gym time, I will not go and see anyone. For me,
Okay.
my gym is on my priority list. I don't. The only thing that I miss when I travel is my gym. My people are like, I miss my mom, but she's second. I miss my gym first. You know, it is like
Okay.
that. My mom also knows how mad I am about gym. So I work out every day. Of course, a lot of water is important, and you need to take good care of yourself. Yeah, I mean, I feel as a person you should love yourself. Only when you love yourself, you'll look good.
Okay.
And be
your,
happy.
What's your favorite food?
My
What do you
favorite
eat?
food. I eat everything. When I'm
Okay.
home, I eat veg, non-veg.
Okay.
Everything light, but if it's when I travel, when I go out, I love to eat Thai food.
Okay.
Thai food is like when I eat this much of rice with that
Okay.
curry. So, yeah, I'm a big foodie, and I tell myself if not an actor, I would have been 100 kgs today. You know, because I used to eat anything and I can eat 10 inches pizza all alone.
Oh.
My friends were like, "Are you serious?" And I was like, "Yeah." I used to eat like fufu burgers, and I eat everything. I don't diet, but I work out hard.
నోటు నోటు పచ్చ నోటు అయ్య బాబోయ్ చాలా గ్రేటు దీని వల్లే ఏ మనిషికైనా గుండె పోటు బెన్ను పోటు హెడ్డపుంటేనే వాళ్ళు వీళ్ళు నీతో జట్టు అడలేకపోతే లవ్వు లబరు అన్ని కట్టు నో మనీ నో మనీ నో హనీ నో హనీ రా
సో ఈ మూవీ తర్వాత నూకే తర్వాత ఏమైనా కొత్త ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఒప్పుకున్నారా?
Yeah, there are a lot of projects because the moment Nokia, when I started working, like of course my first film was not that big success for me, but still luckily, thankfully when people are, you know, there are still offers, you know, and I was very happy when I got Nokia and the character. So when people started calling me in between, I got 2-3 calls for 3-4 films in Tamil and Telugu. But right now I have crossed that phase of
Okay.
being busy for no, you know, okay, I just want to do a film. Now it is more of quality to me. I was like, okay, Kati, people have seen this. Now people will see Nokia, people will see a different character. So I want something which is an interesting character. So I am of course waiting for Nokia to happen, and things are in process. Let's see what I take up next.
Do you have any dream role?
Of course. My dream role would be, I want to do a periodic film. I don't
Okay.
know, whatever it is, I want to do a periodic film. And I want to do a hardcore romantic film, you know, where it is just a hero and a heroine and the love that they have. You know, it's like come fall in love types.
Okay.
Those mills and moons.
నువ్వుంటే లవర్ వస్తుంది, అదే డబ్బుంటే దాని అబ్బా డిస్కో ఏదైనా వస్తుంది.
మిస్టర్ నూకయ్య మూవీలో గ్లామరస్గా కనిపించారు. ఓకే, గ్లామరస్గా కనిపించడానికి ఎక్స్పోజింగ్ చేయడానికి చాలా డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది. సో వాట్స్ యువర్ ఒపీనియన్ ఆన్ ఎక్స్పోజ్?
See, the problem here is what, even if I wear this salwar suit and go, no, they will say I look glamorous. So, this is the mindset of people that Sana is glamorous. No matter I wear a sari or a chudidar or a davani, no matter, people will say you're still looking glamorous. Now, I don't know how to reduce that thing. But, yeah, people say that, okay, glamour is, what do you think about glamour? I mean, what is there to think about glamour? We are in a glamour field. Film is something which doesn't happen in real life. It's a friction. You imagine. I don't think a normal guy would suddenly compose Pista Pista and sing for me. It happens in films, no? So that is the reason. See, we make films, we do glamour, we do everything to make audiences feel good, and imagine things that don't happen in real life. That is what glamour is also. I wouldn't, the way in films you wear certain dresses and walk around, I wouldn't walk around with such dresses in my personal life. I wouldn't wear a sports top if this much short and go and do a jogging in gym. People will think I'm gone mad or psycho. It's like that. So you do certain things only for films, and I don't think there's anything wrong doing, being glamorous, because I think my thing is films, fashion and fitness go hand in hand. You do a film, be fit and look fabulous. That is what as an actor I feel, and as an actress the first important thing I would say is to look good. Second would be for me acting. If I don't act well, it's fine. If I look good, people will forget, the scene is gone.
నోటు నోటు పచ్చ నోటు అయ్య బాబోయ్ చాలా గ్రేటు, దీని వల్లే ఏ మనిషికైనా గుండె పోటు బెన్ను పోటు.
సనా, ఇప్పుడు వచ్చే హీరోయిన్స్ అంటే హీరోయిన్గా యాక్ట్ చేస్తూనే బాలీవుడ్ కానీ టాలీవుడ్ కానీ ఐటమ్ నెంబర్స్ కూడా చేస్తున్నారు. సో మీకేమైనా ప్లాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఐటమ్ నెంబర్స్ చేసే ఆలోచన ఏమైనా ఉందా?
I honestly speaking, coming from Bombay, people have different thoughts. People think differently in Hyderabad and Chennai. It has taken me more than 1.5 years to start thinking like South. My manager is like, this is not Bombay, Sana, this is not Bombay. Why do you think? A lot of things, there are major difference of lifestyle and thinking here in Bombay. The way it is here and in foreign. Like Bombay people are still backward when it comes to foreign thinking, So that ways, I feel here, I cannot, certain things were so difficult for me to connect, talking wise and thinking wise. So I feel there's nothing wrong doing an item number, but somewhere in South, if a heroine does an item number, then there is no films for her, and that is a fact. And this is what I want to tell you straight. I wouldn't do an item number and spoil my career in South, but when it's Bombay, people want you to do an item number, and it is highly, it is accepted over there. No problem if you're doing an item number, you can still be a heroine and you can do films with big heroes. But in South, it doesn't work that way. So I wouldn't risk my career for a song. I mean, you love me dancing, take me for a film, I'll do 4 songs. Okay. I don't want to do one song when people call me like, you're a very good dancer, do this one song and this song is like superb. I said, you love me so much, cast me for the film. Okay. I'll make it even better. Okay. One song, I'll do 4-5 songs in the film.
ఓకే, సో ఫైనల్గా మూవీ గురించి ఆడియన్స్కి ఏం చెప్తారు?
Go and see Mr. Nokia, because all of us have really worked hard, but today I'll be talking for myself and myself only. I have given a year to this film.
సో మిస్టర్ నూకయ్య మంచి సక్సెస్ ఇచ్చి ఇంకా ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కూడా సక్సెస్ ఇవ్వాలని, టాప్ మోస్ట్ హీరోయిన్ అవ్వాలని మేము కూడా కోరుకుంటున్నాం. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ కమింగ్ అండ్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Thank you.